Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about something about Discord. Because there's a recent update just a few months ago that Discord server has returned its guild setting creation. You heard me right, for OG Discord users, guild creation is back. So basically, what is guild creation? So guild creation gives you the option to convert your server, just like this one right here, into a guild. Basically, the same things will happen but different perks. So how can we do this one? Before we get started, I just want to have a disclaimer that that process is still experimental as of now. As you can see right here, this feature is currently experimental and only available to a select number of users. However, there are three ways to join a guild: Discovery tab, Invite links, and Guild tags. So if you tap Discovery tab in your Discord application, you can see a list of available guilds that you can apply to join, and you can also set a different preferences depending on what you're looking for in a guild. So before we check on the discovery, I want to show you how to do this one. If you're one of the lucky Discord users to have access to this one, so click on your server option right there, and there should be a guild creation option right here. Just beside create channel, there should be a create guild option right there. With one click of a button, you're gonna see how you create a guild. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be good to go. Alright? Now go to discovery right here, and basically in this part right there, I'm gonna type guild. Okay? And these are gonna be the different guild tags right here. Pretty awesome, right? And that's it. As you can see right here, if I try checking this one, now this is gonna be a guild. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.